Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I want to talk about something that may be blasphemous for some people, and that is selling your GPUs right now. Have you guys been selling your graphic cards because of the high prices that they are going for right now, especially on the used market? I think some of the cards that I've seen, they're selling more than what you were buying them for brand new before, which is just insane. But because of the, the turmoil, economic turmoil that we're having right now in the whole world because of the coronavirus, all that kind of stuff, computer parts in general have been going up. In this video, I just want to talk about, something that's been on my mind and if I should go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so I'm going to tell you my kind of thoughts right now. So Radeon 7s. You guys know, the Radeon 7s right now, they go for a pretty penny. I'm sure some of you guys have been looking at them on eBay, and I've also been looking at them on eBay, and they are selling for quite a bit right now. And look at this. I'm on recently sold on eBay. Okay, there you can just click the checkbox here, show only completed items and sold items. And here you can see XFX Radeon 7 sold for $850 on June 22nd. June 22nd, another one, $685. $699, $690, $770, June 23rd. June 23rd, again, $350. Wow, someone got that at a good price. That's the exact same price that I bought my Radeon 7s for. June 23rd, again, $895. Somebody bought a Radeon 7 for $895 USD. That is nuts. June 23rd, again, $775. Wow, people have actually been buying Radeon 7s quite a lot recently. $760, $520, $699, and so on and so forth. Why am I talking about this? Well, you guys know my Radeon 7 journey and the Radeon 7s that I bought, I would say a couple months ago. Actually, let me see, when did I make this video? Back in February 10th of 2020, and now it is June 24th as of making this video. So a good 4 or 5 months now, I've had my Radeon 7s. Well, actually, I've had some Radeon 7s I had to wait for about 2 months. So realistically, 3 to 4 months, I've had my Radeon 7s running. And seriously, I have a love-hate relationship with these cards. I have been thinking recently about selling them. I know it's blasphemous. It's blasphemy. It's profane. I know you guys are probably saying, Red Panda, don't do it. Don't sell your cards. My heart right now is telling me not to sell the cards because I've made so many videos on these Radeon 7s and I've had such a great time, like seriously, such an amazing time playing with these cards, making videos about them, content, testing out the hash rates, building the rig, doing videos on them. And you know what? I wouldn't trade it for anything else in the world because it was such a great experience. The experience of bricking the Radeon 7s obviously wasn't fun. But you know what? I took a step back and I tried to figure out why it happened. And honestly, there's a lot of different factors and a lot of different things we've been reading online. And ultimately, the Radeon 7s are just, in my opinion, they're great. They're great cards for mining, but they could die at any time. The BIOS could brick the cards again, like some sort of flash, surge, anything. It could ruin the card, and I could essentially have a bricked or code 43 Radeon 7 again, and they won't be mineable anymore. So I'm like kind of hesitant, to keep these cards because any day now they could die. And yeah, they go for a pretty good price right now. I would maybe, I could definitely sell them for more than what they're worth. Before you can buy these brand new for like $699 USD. But look at this. People are still buying them above the MSRP, $760, $775, $895. These are just recently sold Radeon 7s. So do you guys think that I should sell my Radeon 7s right now? Please let me know down below. I am seriously considering it, but my heart is telling me no because I have such a deep relationship with these cards. I love these cards. I just don't want to get rid of them. But let me know what you guys think down below. All right. Okay, so going along, to go along with this video, I wanted to also talk about the prices of video cards going up. I've talked about this before, but I'm on PCPartPicker.com, and we can see here, looking at the charts, example, for a GTX 1650 Super, they actually have gone up quite a bit in price. I would say 30 or 40 bucks. So you can see here, they started off at about $160 USD, and then we saw a jump up in June. The prices for these cards went up to about 200, I think. think, or to 190 USD. So about a $30 price jump for these cards for new, okay? And going along, that also correlates with the 1660s as well. They've also gone up in price. You can see the little bit of a jump here. And going along, 1660 Super also has gone up in price, 1660 Ti, and so on and so forth. You guys can see here, they all have similar jumps in price because computer parts in general have been going up. And it looks like the RTX 2070 has been going down in price. That's interesting. Maybe because people have been buying these lower end cards because they're a little bit more affordable. But yeah, 2070 Super looks like it gone up in price. RTX 2080 looks like it also gone up in price. 2070 Super, it looks like it had a big price jump, and 2080 Ti, it looks like it didn't go up that much. But yeah, going along, RX 570 has also been going up in new prices, as well as the 5700. Okay, I've seen them also been going up in price the past couple months, and I recently just got one and paid a nice little premium for it, unfortunately. But hey, that's what's happening right now because of, I guess, the economic turmoil that we've been having in the world right now due to the coronavirus and many other factors that are happening around the world, which is really sad, unfortunately. But to go along with these prices that have been going up for new GPUs also correlates to the used GPU prices, okay? 1080 Ti's still go for an amazing price right now. Look at this. Someone just bought one recently for $679, $481, $399, $425, $430, $550, $459, $600 for the Asus ROG Strix. As you guys know, I have 6 of these actually. And I only paid 300 USD for them. I could sell them right now for about 550, maybe 600 USD, and turn a really good profit for these cards. I really want to, but I also love these cards as well. But should I sell these cards right now? Should I sell my 1080 Ti's? Should I sell my Radeon 7s? Should I maybe sell my Vega 56s? I'm pretty sure the Vega 56s are probably going for a nice price right now. We can actually check it out. Vega 56. And okay, so 229, yeah, really good price. I got my Vega 56s for $140 USD. Okay, so 204, all right, 160. Okay, I mean, I could maybe turn a little bit of a profit on the Vega 56s that I have now, but I literally just built the rig, so I don't think I'm going to sell them now, but we'll see. Finally, I just want to end off, showing you guys the RX 580 prices. They've also been going up in used prices. I definitely talked about this before in another video, but yeah, it's a crazy time right now to buy used GPUs because everything has gone up in price, but it's definitely a good time to sell. But let me know down below if you guys have been selling your GPUs or hardware right now because of the situation the whole world is in right now. And I understand, there are people who do this in order to make a profit. And, of course, there's cycles in the market. There's going to be cycles. And, the way the cryptocurrency market's going right now, it's super volatile all the time. But prices have generally been going up for the coins. But when is that next dump, right? When's that next dump? Then that's going to correlate to probably GPU prices coming back down. And then that'll be the best time to start buying GPUs again. But when is that time going to come, right? Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you for supporting me, supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.